Hey guys, my name is Rohit Ghosh. Hope you're doing well. So today we're gonna make one of my favorite tea time snacks. It's a very famous street food in the southern part of India. So today we're gonna make chicken 65. And for all the chai lovers out there, this goes great with tea. So with that said, let's get started, shall we? So first up, here I have a boneless, skinless chicken breast, which I'm going to cut in bite-sized pieces. Just try to cut them as even as possible so that they cook evenly. So once that's done, let's move on to the marination. So in a bowl, add all of your chicken pieces. To that, add half a cup of yogurt and then season with salt and about 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now to that, add 1 teaspoon of Jeera Powder followed by 2 teaspoons of Degi Red powder. Now this is purely for color, to get that punchy red color, and a very little bit of spice. Then I added 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So now once that's done, mix everything up really well, and please don't be afraid of using your hands. You should get every crevice of the chicken pieces. Now at this point, it's very important to leave the chicken in the marination so that all the flavors seep in. So I'm gonna let it rest in the marination for about an hour. If you want, you can leave it for more than an hour or even overnight in the fridge if you're using it for the next day. So once the chicken has been marinated, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So these are going to be super crispy. Now mix it really well so that every nook and cranny is covered with the marination. Remember, it shouldn't be too dry or too wet. This is how it should look. Also, I forgot to add some chopped curry leaves during the marination, so I added them at this stage so that it gives a little bit of freshness to the fried chicken. So now, once this is all done, we're gonna move on towards the frying stage. So here I have a pan with about an inch of oil in it. Now add your marinated chicken pieces in the oil. So I'm going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes as these cook really fast because of their small size. And please don't overcrowd your pan, do it in batches. So fry all of your chicken until they are nice crispy red in color. And I mean, come on, look at these crispy chicken bits. So this is how crispy these are. So once all of your chicken has been fried, we're gonna temper these fried chicken bits. Now this is what makes it chicken 65. So in order to do that, in a pan, I added about a tablespoon of vegetable oil. To that, add 6 to 8 chopped cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 slit green chilies, and about 12 to 15 curry leaves or curry patta. And fry these in the hot oil till they get really fragrant. Then add your crispy fried chicken to it and toss it. Also season it with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. Now mix it up really well and you have the crispiest, tastiest chicken 65 which you can have for an evening snack with some hot masala chai. So do try this recipe out and leave your feedback in the comment section below, and follow me on my Instagram handle _Rohit_Ghosh. And if you learned something, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching guys. Until then, I'm gonna meet you on my next video.